Hey guys, so if you have a scrap pile that looks like mine after the holidays, I know it's embarrassing, right? I wanted to show you some quick tricks for some scrap busters that you can use with Lightburn's free art library tool. So Lightburn has this free art library where you can download a bunch of different emojis, some Valentine's Day stuff. There are vintage items, there are countries, there's some Halloween stuff, winter stuff, fall items. I'm going to focus on the emojis right now. So if you go to Lightburn, and the link will be in the comments, you can get all of these free emojis downloaded, and we can use them as scrap busters using up some of our old scraps from this holiday season. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to grab in a file that I have from the holidays that I used every single time I cut out any ornaments. And let me go ahead and just move that out of the way real quick so you guys can see this file. So this was just a file I ran over and over and over again. And I can just kind of put it in my place where I origin my laser when I start to cut out a piece of material. And I can look and go, okay, so I've got some spare space there. I've got spare space here. I've got space here. And these are great spaces to cut out like little 1-inch tokens that can be for jewelry. You can use them for accessories for things like bookmarks, or you can throw them on a magnet, throw them on a fridge, right? So we can actually use some of this material up, some of the scrap material up if you want to. Now, if you have a family like mine that says just throw it away, sometimes we have to do that too. But here's a great way to use some of this for some Valentine's Day stuff for Valentine's Day coming up. So I'm just going to go into this art library here. If your art library is not showing, go up to Window, and you're going to go to Art Library and make sure that that little guy right there is checked. As long as he's checked, your art libraries will show up. So if you download the art libraries from Lightburn, you're just going to go hit load, and it's going to bring you to wherever you downloaded those art libraries to. You'll click on it and just load that art library, and you'll be ready to roll. So I've gone in here and I've searched for hearts. So I want to find the hearts. Let's say I'm doing, I like this guy right here. I'm going to double click on the heart dots. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and hit F12, get rid of my side panel so you guys can see a little bit better what I'm doing. I'm going to shrink this up. Let's say I want it about that size. I'm going to try and fit it into one of my spaces here. So this is actually going to end up being about a 1-inch heart, a little over an inch. And then all I'm going to do, I'm going to right click. I'm going to, oh, it's already ungrouped. I'm good to go. So I'm going to click here, and I'm just going to make a copy of this outline. So I'm just going to hit Control D on my keyboard, make a copy of that outline. I'm going to turn it red. For me, that means it is going to be a cut line. So on my layer panel, red is cut. So you can see this cut line here now. And then I'm going to move it right back so it centers over here. And then I can go ahead and sorry about that. I can go ahead and select this guy. I can group them, Control G to group if you don't remember how to do that. And then I might adjust a little bit and go, okay, maybe I want them a little bit bigger than 1 inch. You know, really just play around with it, see how it fits on your material, make sure it lines up correctly. And then you can fill this, you know, all these little spaces with this little heart, cut them out, paint them up, throw a magnet on the back, and there you go. You've got $1 more out of this sheet, up to maybe $20 more out of the sheet, which honestly, if it's some good material, is going to pay for the sheet of material. So I just wanted to show you one thing that Lightburn does give us, which is free art libraries, so that you can do a bunch of these little scrap busters. Hope it helps someone today.